The competition held at the Manipur Baptist Convention Centre, Chingmairong, saw a total of 41 choir groups from different churches of the state taking part. The Embassy Centre Church is one of the indispensable institutions of Manipur Baptist Convention, which comprises of 29 associations with 1,300 churches. The function was graced by PHED Minister L. Dikho as chief guest, Embassy Centre Church General Secretary Reverend Dr. W. Konghar as speaker, and all Christian minister and MLAs as guest of honors. Speaking during the program, Lucideko lauded the organizing committee for their effort and encouraged the youth. He also said that Christianity has the highest majority denomination in the state and that we would take responsibility to bring changes and peace in the state. He further requested everyone to pray for the Manipur government so that there is guidance from above to run the state positively. He concluded by saying that church should organize more such events to bring peace and unity among all communities.
We assume that this is for the whole of the state because people from all over the state, from all the districts, they will come here. And especially those elite groups are stationed here. And that is why we organize this.
Speaking with the organizer, they said that Manipur is under constant problem. So to bring peace in the state, they have chosen the song, Peace Be Still. All the church participants were given out rupees 15,000 rupees to acknowledge their presence, and the winners received rupees 50,000 with 40,000 and 30,000 for the first and second runners-up respectively. Tangkhul Baptist Church won the competition with Kaisamthong Baptist Church and Pome Baptist Church as the first and second runners-up respectively. The organizers said they would try to conduct the competition every year and bring in more churches from the hills as well. With Thurosha, APN, Imphal.